if you are interested in scholarship, then stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much guys for always coming back. And if you are new here, you are highly welcome. Today's video is all about scholarship. So if you are interested in scholarship, then this video is for you. Stay tuned. One of the reasons why so many people are not getting scholarship, guys, is because they fail to read the requirements. Yeah, the requirements are very important. Yeah, scholarships are very competitive, we all know that. So when applying for a scholarship, make sure that you read the requirements very well. Apply for scholarships which are directly related to your field. Yeah guys, a lot of people do not think about this. So if you apply for a scholarship that is directly related to your field, it will be very easy for you to get the scholarship. Imagine that they are offering scholarship in psychology, and I study maybe biology, and another student studies psychology at the bachelor level. Can you tell me who is suitable for that scholarship? Yeah guys, they will first of all consider somebody who has background in that field. So when applying for a scholarship, make sure that you check the requirements and go for that scholarships that are related to your previous program. This will give you a higher chance of being selected. Hello guys, if you are interested in scholarship, then stay tuned. Make sure that the type of program you are applying the scholarship for is related to your previous study. So you need to be sure that this program I'm applying for is within my field. Yeah, because a lot of people get rejected because they apply for the wrong scholarship. Another reason why some people find it difficult to get a scholarship, guys, is because of lack of understanding. Yeah guys, you need to make sure that you understand what is required of you. For example, when I started applying for scholarship, that's after my bachelor's degree, I started applying for scholarship to study masters abroad. Sometimes there are forms that they ask you to rate yourself. You will see like top 5, top 10, top 20, top 50, top 100, guys. To be honest, I didn't know what it means. Like they give you the chance, that opportunity to rate yourself. I remember in one application like that, instead of choosing maybe the top 5, top 10, I think I choose top 50 because I thought 50 is the best number. I thought the higher the number, the good it is. Can you understand? So guys, you need to be able to understand the meaning of those skills. Yeah, because some schools or some scholarship ask you to rate yourself. And unfortunately, if you don't understand the skill, once if you don't understand those ratings, you will be the one to bring your own downfall. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So when applying for a scholarship, make sure that you understand everything. If there is a skill to rate yourself, if you don't know, ask somebody. Don't just go and tick the top 50 like I did. Yeah guys, this is the truth. So you're lucky now to be having somebody to be talking to you now. I wish I had somebody who could have informed me this earlier when I was trying to apply for a scholarship to study masters abroad. However, I'm thankful where I am today. Another reason why you may be finding it difficult to get a scholarship, guys, is because of poor grades. Yeah guys, you know scholarships are competitive, as we all know. So if your grades are not good, maybe that is the reason why you are not getting a scholarship. But I have an advice for you. If you are applying for a master's program or a PhD program, then you can publish a paper in a good quality journal. Yeah guys, I assure you this. A lot of universities need good quality papers. So if you write a good paper and publish in a good journal before you start your application, then you have a higher chance of being selected than someone without an academic paper. Another reason why you might not be getting a scholarship is because you are applying to a wrong country. Yeah guys, some countries are saturated when it comes to scholarship. So before starting an application, make sure that the country you are applying for is taking in more students. Yeah, it might be easier for you to get a scholarship, let me say engineering, in China than in America. So you need to consider all this before applying for a scholarship. Yeah, there's no need dropping application all over the world without even them calling you for an interview. So it's total waste of time. So you need to consider, you need to find out, is this country taking in more students? Am I eligible to study in this country? All these things are very important, guys. Yeah, you need to think about this before you start an application. So when applying for a scholarship, try as much as possible to make sure that this country is ready to receive students than to be wasting your time sending applications to a lot of countries which will not even call you for an interview. So it is a waste of time, guys. Do your research and find out countries that are taking in students. So to avoid wasting your time. Another reason why you might not be getting a scholarship is because you are applying to very few universities. Yeah, guys, once you have found out that this country is eligible or that this country is taking in more students, then you need to apply for at least 5 universities. Yeah, 5 applications, different universities. Yeah, I've seen cases where students apply for 2 universities and after that they are discouraged. They are saying, no, I don't think scholarship is for me. No, guys, believe in yourself. Don't be discouraged. If you apply for at least 5 universities, at least one will call you for an interview. If this university don't see your worth, this other university will see it. I assure you. Yeah, do it. Don't just apply for 2 universities or even 1 and sit and you're waiting and your hope is on that university. No, guys, don't do that. Apply for at least 5 universities. And if you have the resources, why not apply for more than 5? Yeah, it takes you nothing to do it. Just be patient. If you really want a scholarship or if you really want to study, then you need to be patient enough to apply for these scholarships. Another reason why you might not be getting a scholarship is because you are asking the wrong people to recommend you, to give you a recommendation letter. Yeah, guys, you need to understand that the fact that this person is your lecturer, the fact that this person is your teacher, doesn't mean that that person likes you, doesn't mean that that person likes your progress. So if you ask a lecturer or a professor to give you a recommendation letter and that professor starts to ask you email from the school to send it directly, like he or she is trying to make something, like trying to hide it from you, then know that something is wrong, guys. Know that he is planning to write something that you might not like. Yeah, you need to be aware of this. I know that some university usually ask like you should just write the email of the lecturer or the professor you want to recommend you. So you need to make sure that this person I'm asking to recommend me is somebody who likes me, is somebody who wants to see my progress. Yeah, you need to be sure. Not everybody likes to see your progress, even your lecturers. You can't tell. So you need to be sure that this person you are asking to recommend you is somebody who likes you, is somebody who wants to see you succeed in life. Another reason why you might not be getting a scholarship is because of lack of self-esteem. Yeah, guys, you need to be positive. You need to say to yourself, I am capable of this. I'm ready for this. I'm suitable for this. I'm the right candidate for this application. You need to be positive. Some people usually feel discouraged after one failure. You don't need to be discouraged. You need to look into the mirror and say, yeah, I am the right candidate for this application. I am the right candidate for this scholarship. I am what they are looking for. Yeah, you need to be positive. You need to have self-esteem, guys, to be able to succeed in this life. Because if you sit and say, no, I have tried several times and I have not make it, and you sit, then how will you make it? You need to continue trying, trying. Yeah, one day you will succeed. Yeah, you need to have this positive mindset. Don't sit and say, no, this scholarship is not for me. I've applied, I failed. No, guys. If you give up, then how will you succeed? How? But if you continue applying, and making sure that you are following all the requirements and doing all that is required, one day you will succeed. So don't be discouraged. Just believing in yourself will give you that courage to go forward, to apply for more scholarship. Hello guys, if you are interested in scholarship, then stay tuned. Another reason why you might not be getting your scholarship, guys, is because of your CV. Yeah guys, your CV is very important. You have to know that this type of scholarship you are applying for determine what you should write in your CV. So if you're applying for a program or a scholarship program, maybe in educational leadership for example, then your CV should relate more of the things or more activities that are related to educational leadership. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Like if you are applying for a scholarship to study biology in a university, then your CV should include more of the activities or more of things related to biology. This will give you a higher chance of being selected. If you are applying for a scholarship in educational leadership and management, and you write in your CV like, I've been doing fishing for 2 years now, I have experience in fishing, I have experience in hunting, how is that related to the scholarship you are applying for? So guys, you need to take this into consideration. Your CV should relate to what you are applying for. Your CV should include more of what you are applying for. Yeah, this is one of the mistakes people make without knowing. Another reason why you might not be getting a scholarship is due to late submission. Yeah guys, a lot of us are guilty of this. They always give us enough time to apply for scholarship, but we wait till the last day, guys, to submit our application. If you are doing this, then guys, stop. Because it won't help. I remember one day when I finished my bachelor's degree, because I actually wanted to study my master's abroad. I was trying to apply for scholarship, guys, but I always wait till the last date. I remember one day there was, I don't know, poor internet, guys. This is my real life story. It was around 12 p.m. in the night and we were in the cyber trying to submit an application because that was the last day. The internet was so slow, guys. If you understand what I'm saying, it was really bad. So this was a very bad experience. Don't allow this to happen to you, because some universities usually select students immediately they receive the application. Yeah, so if you're submitting your application the last, what if they have already selected the students they want? Yeah, some schools do their selection immediately they receive an application. They check the file and keep, if this one is qualified, they keep it here. This one is not qualified, they keep it here. So you need to submit your application as soon as possible. Don't wait for the last day, guys. Some of us are guilty about this, but it's not a good practice. Try to submit your applications as soon as possible. This will actually increase your chances of being selected. If there's any other thing you wish to know about scholarship, then guys, just write in the comment section below, because I'm ready guys to answer all your questions. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.